Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Voices of Victory, a platform where our students come together to share their success stories. Today we are delighted to be joined by Sajjan, who has recently grabbed their new job at Scale Computing. Without any further ado, come let's dive straight into the podcast. Hi Sajjan.
Hi.
Welcome to Networkers Home.
Okay.
Before starting the podcast, I want to congratulate on your new job.
Okay, thank
Congratulations. So let's begin.
Yeah, sure.
So tell me about yourself.
My name is Sajjan. I'm graduated in civil engineering.
Okay.
I'm from Tumkur.
Yeah, that's nice. Okay. How did you got to know about Networkers Home?
One of my friend, he is working in cybersecurity. So he suggested me to take this course like a cyber network security and also few models in CCNA, CCNP and CCIE firewalls.
Okay.
That's it.
Are you from the same background?
No,
or?
I'm from the civil background.
Okay. Civil engineering.
Yeah,
basically.
civil engineering.
Okay.
I make this transition because I have a passionate about networking and also I'm a little bit curious about how the networking functions in real time.
Oh, that's a good thing. How did you started this passion?
See, after my graduation, I went for the UPSC preparation.
Okay.
In that, there is a module called Science and Technology. So that's how I got to know about networking.
Okay, that's the point where you started,
Yeah.
shifting your brain to networking.
That's why I make this transition.
That's a good thing. But before getting into other questions, I just want to ask you one thing. From civil engineering to networking,
Okay.
it's like two different paths.
Yeah.
Like how difficult it was, how did you fix your brain before
See,
entering?
Before I came here, I just search in some Google or some other website. What is about networking? What are the skills I need to learn for the networking? So also I take my suggestion from my friend. So I want to do cybersecurity or networking. Which one is the best for my career?
Okay.
So you also know me, and also he suggests me, you have the passion about networking, and so you have to go with the network security.
Okay, that's a good thing. But how was your ups and downs?
Ups and downs means initially I got some few technical, like I have
jerk.
some technical jerk in that CCNA. I have the curious mind now. So I literally I just research about few models, then I get it on.
Yeah, you just got up with others. That's a good thing that you just shifted from civil engineering to networking. You pulled up your socks. You made your path.
Yes.
That's a good thing. Good. So Sajjan, could you provide an insight experience with our trainers and management?
Initially I completed CCNA from Tamil Selvan sir.
Okay.
And later on I completed CCNP from Tamil Selvan sir and Nikun sir and also Harun sir.
Okay.
So the faculty is so good.
Okay.
Every time they sort out my doubts and also given some tasks for the understanding levels.
Okay, that's a good thing. Before getting into other questions, I have to ask this because it's pricking in my brain.
Okay.
After joining to networking field,
Okay.
have you ever felt that, no man, I was good in civil engineering?
No, never.
Never.
Because I have a curious mind. I told you, I have a curious mind. I want to learn new things.
Okay, that's a good thing.
And I also, in the future also, I want to learn AWS, cloud and cloud security.
Okay.
I'm really interested.
That's a nice thing. So here we provide mock interviews.
Yeah.
So how many mock interviews did you attend? How was your experience?
I attended 4 mock interviews and 2 real interviews.
Okay.
In that first mock interview, I think I done in December month. Okay, when I completed my first mock interview, I realized that I have to be strong in networking concepts and I have to get the understanding level of the networking concept. Then only I can go for the CCNP.
Okay.
And for other mock interviews, the interviews faculties are taking very good because First, initially they'll check whether he had the basic concept knowledge. Then he go for the scenario-based questions.
Okay, that's a nice thing. And how important do you feel like communication skill in the same process?
Yes, even I got this job means I have the better communication, because
Okay.
in the real world they need 50% of your credit come from the communication only.
Okay.
That is how I feel.
That's a nice thing what you mentioned, like communication is, matters a
Communication is the
lot.
key.
Yeah.
Communication is the key. Technical is the knowledge.
That's a good point what you mentioned. So now you got a new job.
Yeah.
Just take us through that.
I got the job from the Scale Computing. It is also a very good company. It is Texas-based US company. They got me for the 4 rounds.
Okay.
The first round is assessment round. Other 2 rounds are the technical rounds, and the last round is HR and director discussions.
Okay, that's nice. In this process, in this like searching job or getting a job, how was your experience and how important your communication skill and resume matters? Can you just explain that?
I can say resume is it reflects your skills.
Okay.
What you are done, what you are learning, everything is reflected in your resumes.
Okay.
When you fixed your resume very properly and perfect way, then you will get the better opportunities.
Okay. What are the key things it is like important you have to mention in resume?
See, we can't do just add single skills on our resume. We have to
Showcase
we have to showcase our experience also.
Okay.
Like if I had the experience in routing and switching, I can't just put it on a TCP/IP OSM model or EAGRP OSPF. No, I have to little bit explain about the skills also.
Okay, that's a good point what you mentioned. So how can you approach companies apart from networking home? Like, is there how easy it is?
See, approaching in the outside world is very difficult.
Okay.
If we search on Naukri.com or in LinkedIn or Indeed, it's just showcasing the opportunities, but no one will get you directly.
Okay.
Until or unless you have some experience or you have some reference from other companies, means other like your friends or some others.
Okay, suggestion.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So how AI helps in all this actually?
If you have the knowledge, you can do the research on AI, because AI never gives the perfect answers. Of course, it gives the perfect answer, but it never elaborates the answer. If you have the base knowledge, then only you can go for the AI tool for the research.
That's a good point what you mentioned actually. It's not like you just grab everything from AI and put it, copy paste. No, you have to filter the things. Exactly. So how was your overall learning experience here at Networkers Home?
It's very great experience.
Okay. How challenging it was actually for you?
See, initially I'm from the civil background. Of course, I have faced many challenges, and I told you that faculties are very good. They are very good in clearing my doubts, and also they are providing so many tasks. So that's how I got sorted out.
Okay, that's a good thing what you mentioned. So Sajjan, we are at the end of our podcast.
Okay.
So would you like to give any motivational message for our students who are watching this, and a key word for Team Networkers Home?
I want to say one thing for our students, that is communication is most important, and also learning the concepts. Understanding the concept is also most important. I want to tell the students, go for the scenario-based questions, and also go for the troubleshooting questions based on topologies and other connectivities or communicating nodes. And also, once again, I want to tell that communication is most important.
Okay, that's a good point what you mentioned actually. And thank you for coming. It was really great talking to you, and all the best for your job.
Thank you.
Thank you.